Alrighty, everyone. Now, let's see who the new characters are. Look! We got new characters! Look! There's only 4 family of new characters!
Who's that character? It's the Hucker Doos. Well, howdy, neighbor.
Hello there, neighbor. Hello there. You must be the new characters. So, you guys are? We are the Hucker Doos. The Hucker Doos. Hey, I'm a fan of yours. Hucker Doos? Huh. More like muckaroos. Hey! Sorry, Muck. Alright, Hucker Doos. Since you 4 families are the new characters, I'm going to sign you on the list here. Alright, get my new character list up. Okay. Hucker Doos. Okay. Okay, and you families are in. Well, thank you, neighbor. No problem. That's because I'm Thick Noodles. And I also do this for family members and community members. And once and for all, Hucker Doos, you're part of this family. Really, neighbor? What? It seems perfectly awesome. Well, at least I sung you 4 in, did I? Well, you did. Well, we're gonna look around and see what we can find. Come on, kids. Coming. Great seeing you guys. Wow. I don't know what to say. Hucker Doos. They're so awesome. Yeah, you could tell me about it, Thick Noodles.